All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how you could place text over an image in Microsoft Word. Technique has changed a lot over the time, so this is how you do it now. You're going to drop and drag your image into your Word document. You could select the image by clicking on it and then resize it by using the little squares around the edges there. Get it to how you like it. Then I'm going to have you right click on it and you're going to go to wrap text and select square. This allows you to move it kind of anywhere on the page. I'm going to leave it right there for now. And next we're going to add our text, and to do that we're going to go to insert and text box, and we're going to just click and drag our mouse. That gives us our text box, and now we'll write our text. And you can select the text to go to home, and you can change the size of the text if you want. You can have it centered in there. If you make it larger, you can then go down and kind of center it that way. Then you can move this over your image. You can leave that background, but if you want to get rid of that background, you can go into shape format and select no fill. If you click off, you see you still have this line around it. To get rid of that line, go back to shape format, and right here is the shape outline. You could hit no outline, and now that's gone. And then you could further edit your text so you can see it better over top of your image. Again, you go to shape format, you can change the color as you want. This is an outline you can give it. You could add different effects, just adding this glow effect. Now you can see it much better. And again, you can still move it around your image. But then the end result is you have text over an image, which you could print out if you wanted to, or use in some kind of presentation. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you found that helpful.